again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to properly conceal and correct your face before applying a foundation. We all know basics of makeup, like properly concealing and then applying the foundation, but very rarely we do correct our face. So it's always important that we correct our face in order to get a proper even tone on our face. So today I'm going to use like 2 different corrector pens and 1 concealer in order to show you guys how I do my makeup. So when you do it the way which I show you, then you would get a professional and a celebrity style makeup on your face, which everyone will be like, oh, how did you get that? So if you want to know how I do that, you have to stay tuned and see what's going on. So I have my primer on my face now. So before applying my foundation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct my face. You can see a lot of imperfections in my face, in my under eye areas and the area over here, and I have like a lot of pimples and blemishes on my nose. So it's very important that we correct it before applying a foundation or a concealer on. So correcting that, I'm going to use orange color corrector, and this is from LA Girl Pro, and this is a favorite color corrector, and this is the best for all Indian type skins. So this is orange in color, and this is mainly for all the dark spots on your face. So I'll just show you how I'm going to apply that. So I'm going to take this and take a little bit and go under my eye areas and these areas here on my nose, and I have like some pimple marks here, so I'm going to do that on that area as well. So again here. So now I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Okay, so after this, I'll just let this set for like 1 minute, and after that I'm going to apply this yellow color corrector, and this is again from LA Girl. So I'm going to take this, and I'm using this as a concealer as well. So conceal. Basically, I'm going to use this in all the areas where I've used that orange color corrector, so that my skin tone is like it's looking more nice. So here on these areas as well, like this. And now I'm going to blend this. So now you can see like all the imperfections in my skin. It's like more or less good. So there's an even tone in my face. After this, I'll be using my foundation, and today I'm going to be using MAC Studio Effects foundation. So I'm going to take this foundation and pour it a little in my hand, and then take my blender and apply the foundation on. So I've done the rest of my makeup and I've done my hair and everything. So this is how it looks if you properly correct, conceal and then apply your foundation.